Okay. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah. So, welcome to my channel. This is Shelby here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have been here before, actually, everybody's new here. I'm new here. You're new here. We are all going to be new together. This is super exciting. So yeah, a little bit about me. I'm in the Bay Area. I am rocking with this slightly gray weather we got going on, but my lighting is lit, so I'm gonna go with it. I'm also gonna be trying or continuing my epic journey with the Anastasia Dipbrow. It's an interesting product. I like it a lot. And it comes in this little container. It is, let's see, this color I'm using is chocolate, and it comes in 0.14 ounces. It retails for 24 bucks, I believe. I'll put all the comments down below. Put all the details in the comments down below if you want to check this out. But it's a brow pomade instead of a brow pencil or a brow powder, which means it's a gel like this. And I'm going to use an angle brush to apply this to my general facial region. No, my eyebrows, mostly my eyebrows. I won't put this nowhere else because that would be weird. For the brows, first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do my brows without any without anything on. I've been watching a lot of folks on YouTube, but really I've been recently I've been looking at Karen's channel. I love Sarahi. I think we all struggle with the name a little bit, but I love her. And I like that she does most of her makeup, or at least her eye makeup and her brows, without any foundation on. I think it's really, really important to have that option to be like, you know what? I think I'm ready to start over. And I'm using the spoolie on the Anastasia Brow Wiz because I got to get the brows in the right place first and then we go. I know Karen, she tends to put her concealer on first. And I think because I know I have pretty thick brows, putting the concealer on first to carve out the concealer, the brow rather, it makes me anxious, nervous. I don't know. It's too much commitment. It's too much commitment. I want to do it after. And so what I'm doing, I'm using the flat side of this brush in the dip brow, a little at a time, and I am starting a little farther out, and then I'm using that distance to make a straight line at the bottom and at the top of the brow, a little outside where the hairs are, and then I'm kind of bringing it, the outline, making this outline that I want for my brows. And I have one struggle brow. That's this right girl over here, and you'll learn more about me as the channel progresses, including the goofiness. The goofiness is endless. Let me see, that works. And I'm gonna blend that out. The goofiness is everywhere. But I had a trip with my mother about maybe 6 years ago. You wouldn't know if I was telling how long it was. Maybe 6 years ago. And I was sleepwalking or sleep rolling on a cruise ship with my mom, and I just rolled myself out of bed, hit my head on the bedside table, and then yeah, ooh, that's a lot. I'll work that out. Proceeded to crawl across the floor. Now, the most interesting part, and I'm gonna make those come together. We are looking for sisters, not twins, of course. And the thing about brows is the more you touch them, I feel like they don't get better. It's like you got to get it in that first swipe. Otherwise, let me see. Otherwise, they not it. You got to stop touching it. Let me see. But yeah, I hit my head on the bedside table and had to get stitches. So I have a stitch mark right in this one eyebrow, which means that the hair doesn't grow all the way in. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so I'm going to go back and take the same brush, and it kind of, it separates a little bit, which is funny because it's like there's a new product that Maybelline has out that's supposed to mimic a microblade, and it's split up like this, and mine is just split like that because of the product that's on it. But it's funny that now I can use it, turning it sideways, to push the pomade up in my hair. So I'm going up at the head of the brow for hair-like strokes. And then as I get to the arch and farther out, I'm doing kind of sideways short, little shorter strokes, just so that one, I have control. Go back up to the top here. One, I have control, but two, it looks a little more natural. If you see me out here running these streets with brows that are perfectly matched, you know I jumped the shark. I jumped in and I bought me some brows. Let's see. This is why people do their brows off camera. But I had a very specific request from my cousin Tamani to do the brows on screen. Let's see. I feel a little better about that. A little bit. Let's see. Go back with our spoolie and just disperse some of the color so it's not so heavy. There are some awesome ladies on YouTube that are able to, I feel like they comb first and then they fill, like they're moving the product up into the hairs. And their brow game is like on point. So I am going to clean up my brows with the multi-use sculpting concealer. If you are on YouTube at all, you know everybody named Mama is in love with this little bitty bottle. It's chunky. It's a little bit bigger than the... I finished off this brow while the battery was charging, honestly. So now I am ready. I will go ahead and go back in with my concealer on top. To clean up my top. Some of that same concealer on my lid. And blend that out with my concealer brush. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I guess we'll find out together. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is us for tonight. Clearly the outfit, ignore the outfit, but the rest. So, thank you so much for watching. Ooh, there it is. Light was funny, sorry. I know I've had some lighting issues, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And of course, join the family if you are enjoying the crazy, goofy, whatever that comes out of my mouth / goes across my face, besides the makeup. Subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you would like to have done on the channel. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. And I look forward to seeing y'all later. Ciao for now.